All right, I'm done with all that work. Beautiful Saturday. Let me go blow off some steam. Good thing I got my skateboard. Fuck skateboarding. God damn it, I swear I fall every time I go skateboarding. It's not even fun anymore. Wish there's something else I could do. Is that a beast mode? With the hydros? Oh shit. Try this out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Man, fuck pedal biking too. That's too hard. I'm tired of sweating. I'm tired of panting. I'm tired of pedaling. I wish there was something strong, but kind of quiet, but also super cool that I could ride. Damn. Is that a SURRON? Is that the 60 volt, 32 amp hour electric dirt bike I've been reading about? No way. Ooh, it's kind of snappy. Let's get it. Get this baby on the road. Alright, not really sure why I made this video. It's a beautiful Saturday. I kind of wanted a way to feel productive by going outside and having some fun. So, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.